this year to their national prayer breakfast. They were celebrating the 74th prayer breakfast while we are celebrating the 23rd. We want to thank you very much for coming, and we are borrowed heavily. I would like to request Mr. Von Vuyang to please come here so that he can bring greetings on behalf of all of us that have come from different countries. The next one is the Republic of Chile. The Republic of Chile. All the way from Chile. You know, and they fly, that is a long distance. We sent our own Honorable Mualio to go last year to attend the Chile National Prayer Breakfast. The only problem is that he slept 3 times and he couldn't reach Chile. By the 4th time, he woke up, that is, he found himself in Chile. So I want to thank you very much for coming all the way from Chile. Thank you. May the Lord bless you. The next one is the Republic of Senegal. The Republic of Senegal. Where are they? I was told reliably they are here. Yeah, I can see you there. You are in the company of Britain. You are a single person. So not single, not married, but you are married. I'm informed. But you came alone. You are in good company with Sheena. Thank you very much for coming. The next one is the Republic of South Sudan. Our neighbor. The Republic of South Sudan. A round of applause so that they can stand. Yeah.